number 1. So we're gonna use in our experiment yellow food coloring, red food color, blue food color, and crystal powder, and container, measuring cup, and some bowl. 3 cups of bowl. A spoon to mix, to take this out. Mixed. We're gonna use this for the crystal, and this is called a tray. And cup of water. Now let's start. I'm gonna take 3 cups. 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna use this, and we have to fill 20 ml. We're gonna take water. We're filling this. Now we're gonna pour it in this cup. Next, 20. Now we'll put this. Now again we're gonna do the same thing. 20 ml. Yes, 20. Okay, we have filled the 3 cups. Now we're gonna fill in this 20 ml also. I feel little. Now done. Now, so we have take the 3 colors. Now you're gonna pour 8 drops. Oh, then 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to put it down and go. Now we're going to use yellow. It looks so cool. Okay. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my god, what was that? Now I remove this one. Over here 8 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we are done. Now we'll take this cup and put this red and blue. Gonna take blue and red. 4 food drops. Now we're gonna use red. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. because I dropped a lot of in one drop because it was very hyper that blue one. Okay, now we're done. Now we need this spoon. So first we're gonna use mix red. Wow, they look so cool. Looks like blurred. Okay, I'm gonna clear that out. Yellow. Also clear this out. And blue. Okay, now we're gonna use red. Let me see. Oh, it's purple. Purple is my favorite color, guys. Okay, now we'll use this, but don't use alone because this is gonna be very harmful. So first, we're gonna take some, looks like salt. Now we're gonna take like this, and we got the whole scoop. Now we're gonna go in this, and boom, 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 boom. Whoa! Guys! It's getting very big! It filled the whole red. What? Looks like red snow. Whoa! Looks like yellow snow. Now you're gonna take it. I'm not lying, it looks like ice cream. And this also. Wow. Guys, everyone turn into like snow type. Now we'll take a tray. Okay, now we'll take the red color because red is like rainbow. It's very soft. Here. Over here. Over here. And over here. Okay, done. Now I think we have to use this. Okay, done. Now we're gonna take red. Now we're gonna take yellow. And wow, it's so soft. Look here. Wow. Here. Over here. Now we're gonna use blue color. Now we're gonna take this purple and we're gonna put on this. We just have to spread it. Done. Now we have to pour this water between the color. Oh. We're gonna take this between and between. Now we're gonna take more water. That's it. Now we're gonna pour it. Again. take here. Once again. Done. Now we have to fill from here from this level. Half of tray. Wow. Now we're going to take this cup and put on this, put on this, and put on this, and put on this. Now we have done filling the tray. Now we have to wait for 30 minutes. I'll show you after 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, and then it's dry. The crystal is ready. We have only put primary color. Now we can see secondary colors. The primary is red, yellow, red, blue. Secondary color is orange, green, purple. Now we are done with our video. Next activity we are going to do number 2. Bye. And then subscribe. And next we will do one more activity. Bye.